So this kind of funky looking thing is what I'm calling my indoor greenhouse. Basically just a nursery, place to grow seedlings and things like that. I'm backed off a bit now. This is a 6-foot 2x4 shelf, stainless steel, and you can see I've got mylar sort of wrapped around it. I have the bottom shelf, well, the second shelf pretty low. So there's a really big bottom area, kind of a smaller top area, and then a little storage on top here for equipment and stuff. And the whole thing plugs in up here. And what I've got all the lights going, well, I've got all the lights going to this timer. And then I have, this is all of the seedling mats. So what I do for my really fancy connection is I have a little bit of tape here, and I just put that tape up here and I just sort of clip it. All right. And then I do that on this side too. And it's just electrical tape. It works for me. And then now you can see the seedling area. So this is the first germination station. Basically, I've got 4 seedling mats. Just started some onions the other day. So they're the first. Oh, you can see them popping up too. They were already sort of germinated. I've got 4 grow lights. So each one of these stations has 40,000 lumens. And then I've got those lights attached to sort of a PVC frame. So I can raise and lower it with these pulleys. And got all the cables and stuff tied on there, so it really works pretty well. I've got a couple of fans, but those are a little bit of a problem right now. It seems that USB fans, well, they came USB, I didn't know, and they just won't turn back on with the timer. So right now I'm doing them manually every morning, but that's fine. And just so you see, this is the big area. I don't have anything down there yet, but as plants get larger, they'll go down there and hopefully grow well. So pretty simple, but I've evolved it a bit. This is with my weather station. So this is a way I can sort of track how it's doing here. But of course there's the Inkbird controller that's then connected to this power strip. All those 4 mats plug in here so I can adjust the pressure. And by the way, that one power strip there, I can just turn the whole thing on or off. And that's the lights and the fans, supposedly. But that's basically it. I found it was too hot to have indoors, so I moved it outside. But, not outside, I moved it into the garage here. And so far, so good. It's holding about 70 degrees, and it's not that super warm in here. It's definitely not 70 in the garage, but those lights are warm, and then I put a little sort of a cover on here too, just to keep the heat in. But yeah, what do you think? What are you doing for your seedlings? Getting ready for next year?